This chicken shawarma wrap is a takeaway turned fakeaway, Slimming World style. Add 600 grams of skinless, boneless chicken thighs with the visible fat removed. Mix lemon zest and juice with 1 tablespoon of shawarma or baharat seasoning and mix well so every piece is coated in the spices. Then thread the chicken onto 2 skewers. Using 2 will help it cook evenly and makes it easier to turn. Add 2 peppers and roast in a hot oven for 30 minutes, turning halfway through until the chicken is cooked and the peppers are soft and slightly charred. Fill a Slimming World wrap with salad, sliced chicken and roast peppers, then drizzle over fat-free natural yogurt. Add chili sauce if you like a bit of heat, just half a swip per tablespoon. Then dive into big flavors with 0 regrets.